Tell America why it's so important to know the history of the home as far as deciding which areas to test for mold.
Well, anytime you have a water leak, it's often obvious to the homeowner the floors that become wet, the exposed areas. But what most people don't take into consideration when they're cleaning with mops and they're cleaning with towels is that there are hidden areas of their home that become wet as well, such as beneath cabinets, behind furniture, and inside wall cavities.
So in other words, it's important to understand the history of a home, because if water damage went all throughout an entire residence, but you don't test the entire residence, then you may miss the mold.
That's correct.
Okay.
Oftentimes the water loss has already dried up by the time the investigator reaches the site. So the history of the home is very important. The homeowner or the business owner should be able to give us some insight as to where the water reached. Also, there are historic leaks in buildings. If the building is old enough, there may be issues that have happened previously that may overlap your current issue. So it's sometimes an interesting puzzle.
Clark, Safe Clark, at www.csceng.com.